What fieldwork is doing is to inform and to confirm the assumptions within the data model. What experience is doing is to interpret the three together. And I almost want to say to you, if you do a site, you need to have all three of those. We're very scared if it's just a peer data report.
Yeah.
We're very scared if it's just somebody's opinion that was just in the field without the data. To be anti-data is to being stupid, to put it simply.
Yeah.
But how it works is those three must work always together.
Yes.
I can tell people here, and I remember that one confession that I made of how I got a site completely wrong. And it was just based on desktop data, and I was the slapgat, soos hulle sê, to drive out to Mbombela to go and see the site for myself. Because often people, well, in my case, clients, they want a quick desktop. They just want to have something. Normally, I say to them, okay, I do the desktop for you, but we bring in mobility data, which make it a lot better, because that is me like sitting in front of it for 12 months. Same with the vehicle data, same thing. But you have to go out to every site. You have to spend time. You have to sit. That's what Salary is doing. I mean, we say the same things here. You have to go out there, because I promise you, in 60% of the time, you're going to get it wrong if you don't go out. 60% of the time.
If I can quickly come in there, and I'm going to use a brand like McDonald's, which is a strong brand. People use McDonald's differently in Cape Town than in Joburg, than in Durban. In Pretoria, even between Johannesburg and Pretoria, it's a cultural thing. If you don't go out on the ground, I'm Afrikaans, so I look at it as an Afrikaans woman. If I go to Cape Town, I've got to understand who my customer is. How do people in Cape Town eat out? It's different to Durban. Just the time of day, daylight hours in Durban is different. Sun comes up very early and it's dark early. So that impacts your breakfast sales. Different times that people drink coffee. So it's
amazing.
You've got to go and sit and experience a market.
Yeah, brilliant.
I absolutely believe
absolutely.
it, and use the data with.
If you think about it, there's different levels of decisions that need to be made,
yes.
right? And for the different levels of decisions, the level of experience versus data changes, right? It's a dynamic curve. So if you think of, you have 10 locations to consider, data can help you narrow that down to 2 very quickly, right? On the fundamentals of it. And then you go into the next level of analysis using the data to look at 2 locations and look at micro factors in those. But at the end of the day, if there's 2 locations that are both equally viable, it's the experience that comes in to make the decision. And you can't get away from that. So I love data. I'm passionate about data. I could talk to you about data all day and how we can use data to change the world. But at some point, data only gets you so far. And then you need the experience to make the decision. And that's the reality of the world in which we operate.